This is a 2-pound block of Yeti ice. I asked the lady at the Yeti store, what's better about this than regular poor people ice? This costs $20, and a 2-pound block of ice from Walmart is probably $4. So she said it freezes colder than ice. So -2 degrees Celsius or 28 degrees Fahrenheit, allegedly, it gets down to. So it actually stays colder than ice, and then they recommend you use it in conjunction with ice to keep the ice frozen longer. So to test it, I've got this thermometer, and we're gonna just put the thermometer under it with some insulation and just see if it really registers 28 degrees, if it actually is colder than ice. There's something in here that's non-toxic that lowers the freezing temperature a little bit. You can also use it for self-defense. Pop, pop, pop. It's got tie-down thingies on it, so if you needed to strap it onto something, you could. Works perfect if you wanna have an all-American cooler. Yeti coolers mostly are not made in the US, but this one is made in Katy, Texas, this Playmate Igloo that I take for lunch every day. So you take your cooler, and it sits on the bottom, or you can run it standing up in your Playmate cooler. So that's the perfect size for this. And I've got an all-American lunchbox. That's the Igloo Max Cold. I'll put a link in the description if you want one of these. The temperature sensor goes under the block of ice, so there's full contact with it, and then we're gonna wait a few minutes to see how cold it gets. And the final number, 26.6 degrees, is colder than ice. So it's actually even colder than the sticker says it'll be. So that is a win. They also say that hole in the middle makes it freeze faster. So it freezes fast and it freezes colder than regular ice.